और अब जब हम बोलते हैं जनरेशन गैप, हर जनरेशन में जनरेशन गैप है, क्योंकि times change, systems change, ecosystem change, political environment change, technology changes, and expectation changes, and we as a society is evolving.
But do we really mean what we say, or do we want to act cool but we are not? Because we are that generation where we are worried. At the same time, we want to give them that freedom.
Yeah.
Do we mean giving that freedom, or is it just a fast? मुझे आज तक खुद नहीं आंसर ये हुआ कि मैं कर क्या रहा हूँ.
You know, you're wounded in the past, and your past wounds come here, and it interferes with your parenting because यार मेरे बच्चे को ये ना हो जाए. हालांकि तू उस वजह से ग्रो हुआ है. तू और मैं, हमारे साथ जो सेटबैक्स हुए उसकी वजह से हमने बहुत कुछ आगे किया, जिसकी अगर वो फ्यूल बन गया.
आज की generation is doing what आज की generation needs to do, right? And we were also talking about short attention spans and the fact that they are fragile is because that's what their life is, right? We were not bulletproof because we were born as bulletproof. That was what the life was, right? And our parents swam. I went to school swimming across the river. I had walked 50 kilometers, not because you were strong and bulletproof. That's the only way you could reach school, right?
What if he says, "I'm gay"? Now that's a situation you can't.
I'm also gay. I'll tell him. I'll sit down. You are gay in a different way. I'm gay and happy. So what?
हाय दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक. हमारा आज का एपिसोड इज एक्सट्रीमली एक्साइटिंग. इट्स अबाउट द जनरेशनल गैप दैट एग्जिस्ट बिटवीन पेरेंट्स एंड किड्स व्हेन दे आर ग्रोइंग अप. एंड क्या करो, आजकल के बच्चों पे इतना प्रेशर है सोशल मीडिया का. द लाइफ इज सो फास्ट पेस्ड विद द एआई कमिंग इन एंड द फेसबुक जनरेशन एंड एवरीथिंग ऑन गूगल एट अ टिप्स एंड. तो करोगे क्या? और इतना ज़्यादा peer pressure, so much money at disposal, people, and kids driving Lamborghinis and, on iPhone 15 Pros. So the life has changed, and us as parents, I don't know, we have been able to understand this gap. क्या हमारे को समझ आती है कि आज एक disconnect सा आ गया and we have to understand our kids in their language, because हमारे parents के साथ हमारा वो gap I think इतना नहीं था. We were still in that generation. मुझे याद है कि मानव when we were growing up, तो वो एक वो कैसेट A कैसेट B होती थी, एंड कैसेट ए में आप रिकॉर्ड करते थे एंड बी में, एंड अगर हमने सुनना है कुछ सॉन्ग तो कैसेट बी में हम रिवाइंड करके यू वुड गो टू सॉन्ग नंबर 2, और अगर वो स्किप हो गया तो वी डिडंट नो व्हाट टू डू. एंड अगर टेप निकल आती थी फिर हम वो पेंसिल लेकर उसको रिवाइंड करके वापस डालते थे. अब हमारे वो पहले डिजिटाइज हुआ, एज जनरेशन चेंज, एंड आईपॉड केम, फिर वो सीडी केम. अब सब कुछ क्लाउड के ऊपर है. यू डोंट इवन हैव टू हैव इट, यू कैन जस्ट डाउनलोड, स्ट्रीम इट ऑन स्पॉटिफाई और आईट्यून्स और वेयरएवर यू आर. सो इट्स अ वेरी डिफरेंट वर्ल्ड.
It's a very different generation, and I think मुझे लगता है कि हम लोग उसका पार्ट हैं. आई थिंक हम लोग जो बोलते हैं जनरेशन गैप है, गैप नहीं है. वी आर द जनरेशन गैप. वी नीड टू टेक अकाउंटेबिलिटी दैट वी आर द पीपल हु हैव क्रिएटेड द जनरेशन गैप. एंड लेट मी गिव यू एन एग्जांपल. जब हम लोग बड़े हो रहे थे, पेरेंट्स ने कुछ नहीं बोला था कि कहाँ जाओ, क्या करो, हमारी देखभाल करो ना करो, कुछ नहीं बोला था. जस्ट हैव अ गुड करियर, वेरी सिंपल. हैव अ गुड करियर, अपने पैरों पे खड़े हो, देश का नाम रोशन करो, अपनी फैमिली का करो, हैव अ गुड करियर, गुड नेम, सो दैट वी आर प्राउड. दैट वाज द ओनली थिंग. लेकिन हमारे दिमाग में वो करुण अर्जुन का डायलॉग बढ़ रहा था, मेरे करुण अर्जुन वापस आएंगे. वापस आएंगे. वी वर ऑलवेज सेइंग नहीं, हमें वी हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ आवर पेरेंट्स. दे नेवर सेड इट, नेवर,
बट इट वाज इम्प्लाइड.
लेकिन आज देख हम क्या कर रहे हैं. हम सेम चीज़ बोल रहे हैं, करियर बनाओ, फैमिली बनाओ, देश बनाओ, लेकिन हम एक चीज़ और बोल रहे हैं. हम बोल रहे हैं बेटा बेटी वी आर फाइन, हमें कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, तुम्हें जहाँ जाना है जाओ,
लिव योर लाइफ,
जी ले अपनी जिंदगी सिमरन, मेरी परवाह मत कर. हम लोग वहाँ डिस्कनेक्ट कर रहे हैं, हम लोग वहाँ काट रहे हैं. वो हुआ नहीं है. Just because we want to look good, eventually we are cutting ties by over simplifying it
and indulging
in it and creating it. See what you land up saying, you created. Like, वो तो ठीक है भाई, मतलब my parents don't want me back.
Yeah.
So वहाँ पे ना शिफ्ट शुरू हो जाता है.
Yeah.
शिफ्ट शुरू हो जाता है, नहीं यार मेरी लाइफ अलग है, इनकी लाइफ अलग है. तो वहाँ से शुरू हो रही हैं चीज़ें और वो हमारे सारे एक्शंस में दिख रही हैं.
Yeah.
और अब जब हम बोलते हैं जनरेशन गैप, हर जनरेशन में जनरेशन गैप है. क्योंकि टाइम्स चेंज, सिस्टम्स चेंज, इकोसिस्टम चेंज, पॉलिटिकल एनवायरनमेंट चेंज, टेक्नोलॉजी चेंजेस, एंड एक्सपेक्टेशन चेंजेस, एंड वी एज अ सोसाइटी इज इवॉल्विंग.
And Manav, you know, funny you say this because I also say something similar to my child. अब और डिस्कनेक्ट कहाँ पे होता है, which is the phase 2. Now the kid comes to you and says, "Dad, I want to be a DJ." Now you've told him live your life, do what you want to do.
या
पर बच्चा डीजे में ना स्कोप नहीं है, फ्यूचर नहीं है, पैसा नहीं है. हाउ विल यू ग्रो, हाउ विल यू अर्न मनी, हाउ विल यू अर्न अ फैमिली एंड यू नो हैव मेक अ लिविंग. तो नाउ ही टेक्स अ स्टेप बैक सेइंग दैट डैड यू आर द वन हु टोल्ड मी लिव योर लाइफ.
Yeah.
जो करना है कर, डोंट टेक केयर ऑफ मी, एंड नाउ बिकॉज आई एम नॉट डूइंग इट एंड आई एम फॉलोइंग माय ड्रीम, यू सेड बी हैप्पी, आई एम वेरी हैप्पी.
Yeah.
Or I want to be a dancer,
Yeah.
or a choreographer,
Yeah.
or something which is not run of the mill, a lawyer or an MBA or an engineer or whatever, you know, a doctor. So why are you not happy for me? And why did you in the first place tell me that I'll be? So it is a very, you know, a ABCD concept
Yeah.
where you're confusing the child completely.
Yeah.
Because, like you said,
Yeah.
आपने बोला कुछ और किया, because mindset तो वही है as a father.
Yeah.
तो आपको लगता है यार कर तो रहा है, लेकिन maybe अच्छा, and there are different ways of saying it. One could be as a friend.
Yeah.
One could be saying, "Are you stupid?
Yeah.
Who wants to become a dancer?" Yeah. 3 could be you want to be a friend, but in a way you're manipulating him, saying, "नहीं बच्चा, but कहाँ पैसे मिलेंगे? Now tomorrow you wanted to, you know, roam about in a Ferrari, which was your childhood dream. कि मैं Ferrari पापा I learn." So I don't think बच्चा choreography में you will be able to. So even the child is smart enough today with the exposure that they have, कि he is trying to manipulate me, and which is when quietly the disconnect happens.
Frankly, Anuj, I call myself a sandwich generation.
Yeah.
हमें पता नहीं कि हमें ओल्ड वैल्यूज में रहना है, हमें एक्सपोजर मिला यूएस का, हमने थोड़ा वहां जाना शुरू कर दिया, थोड़ा यहाँ आना
जो
शुरू
हम
कर
हैं,
दिया.
जो हम एक्चुअली हैं.
हाँ, हम लोग बीच में फंस गए हैं.
Yeah. मैं छोटी बात बताता हूँ. So one day Arhan came to me and he was back from Canada and he said, "Dad, I'm just going down to meet a few friends." रात के 10 बजे थे. So I said, "Okay." And he said, "I'm going to be back in an hour." 11 बजे तक आ जाता. You're like, "Okay, yeah, chill out, yeah, do your own thing, it's fine, and relax, have a good time." And he went. अब I have a habit that I sleep and I go to the loo in the middle of the night. तो मैं suddenly उठा, वापस आया तो टाइम देखा 2 बजे हुए थे. And I suddenly went to his room, तो 2 बजे हुए था ही नहीं. तो I said उसने 11 का था, 2 बज गए, अभी तक आया नहीं हुआ. Now you're a little
Yeah.
panicky.
क्या हो रहा है?
And you want to be sure that you know he's safe, he's fine. पर अगर आप फोन करोगे, you're that uncool dad who's calling and checking up on his child.
Yep.
If you don't call, you're worried.
Yep.
अच्छा, you don't even want to call him and you know scold him कि यार 2 बज गए, ये कोई टाइम होता है, तुमने 11 बजे कहा था, why you not back? You can't do that. Now I've told him go have a good time. I mean he's almost a 20-year-old. You know in 3 days he's going to be 20. Now I don't know which way to swing. अब जब तक वो सुबह 4 बजे तक आ नहीं जाता and I don't hear that door open, I cannot sleep. My next day is gone. I've not slept. What do you do? And कहने को तो मैंने बोल दिया, जो आपने कहा कि भाई जो सिमरन जी ले अपनी जिंदगी, तो वो अपनी लाइफ में जी रहा है, मैं डे टू डे रोजमर्रा की लाइफ में उसको कह रहा हूँ. बट डू वी रियली मीन व्हाट वी से, और डू वी वांट टू एक्ट कूल बट वी आर नॉट? Because we are that generation where we are worried. At the same time, you want to give them that freedom.
Yeah.
Do we mean giving that freedom, or is it just a fast? मुझे आज तक खुद नहीं आंसर ये हुआ कि मैं कर क्या रहा हूँ.
Yeah. नहीं, और तो देख, मैं जब बड़ा मतलब छोटा था, टीनेजर था, I was clearly told no parties.
Yeah.
And I was perfectly okay with it.
Yeah. I wasn't. I was also told.
हाँ,
I hated it. Not
I
going
know,
to
but
parties.
I was perfectly. I know तुम सब लोग नरूला जाते थे
Yeah.
और एग्जाम के बाद जाते थे, मैं नहीं आता था यार.
क्यों?
क्योंकि मतलब इट वाज नॉट ओके.
नहीं, not that we missed you. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. तभी मैंने नोटिस ही नहीं
मेरे पास
किया.
पैसे भी नहीं थे तुझे देना पड़ता. लेकिन like that was, you know, the unsaid expectation.
Yeah.
That, you know, you're going to school, you're not going to party, come back and the family will party together.
Yeah.
That was the way, you know, the family was at that time.
Yeah.
I had friends who would come
And you
in.
said your son wanted to have a party at home और कुछ incident
Yeah,
हुआ
तो
था.
ये देख, because of these things now you want to do the other way, right? क्योंकि that was a different generation and there's nothing right or wrong. I was perfectly okay with it. I was perfectly okay and I was extremely, you know, compliant with that situation. But now मेरा बेटा बोलता है पार्टी करनी है और मैं बोलता हूँ कर ले, लेकिन ये थोड़ी बाउंड्री कंडीशंस है.
अच्छा.
हाँ, बाउंड्री कंडीशन है कि यार कोई ड्रंक नहीं होना चाहिए घर पे. और घर में पार्टी हो रही है, मैं नहीं जाता कोई यहाँ ये हो 40 लोगों की पार्टी हो रही है और मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि कोई ड्रंक नहीं होना चाहिए. मैंने तो उसकी पार्टी बर्बाद कर दी.
Fair enough.
कैसे वो 40 लोगों को या 50 लोगों को कंट्रोल करेगा? नहीं कर सकता. एंड पीपल विल ड्रिंक एंड इफ यू आर हैविंग, hard drinks, then you don't know what is going to happen because these are all young people.
Yeah.
So it's very strange. My younger son is very different.
अच्छा.
यंगर सन वो बोलता है कि मुझे फुटबॉल खेलना है. अब मुझे पता है, देख मुझे पता है इंडिया में फुटबॉल में सीन नहीं है.
Yeah.
यहाँ पे मुश्किल है, क्रिकेट में मुश्किल हुई थी. You're wounded in the past.
Yeah.
And your past wounds come here and it interferes with your parenting because यार मेरे बच्चे को ये ना हो जाए. हालांकि तू उस वजह से ग्रो हुआ है. तू और मैं, हमारे साथ जो सेटबैक्स हुए उसकी वजह से हमने बहुत कुछ आगे किया जिसकी अगर वो फ्यूल बन गया. लेकिन अब तू अपने बच्चे को प्रोटेक्ट कर रहा है कि इसे कुछ हो ही ना. सो वी आर डेवलपिंग अ वेरी डिफरेंट जनरेशन. तो फ्रेंड्स, देखते हैं कि हमारे जो गेस्ट हैं उनका क्या कहना है इस जनरेशन गैप को लेके.
Again, man, I'll come from a music perspective, right? ये ना जो आज की जनरेशन हमारे टाइम पे is the most BS statement I've heard in my life.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
आज की generation is doing what आज की generation needs to do. Right? And we were also talking about short attention spans and the fact that they are fragile is because that's what their life is, right? We were
that's
not
the word.
bulletproof
Yep.
because we were born as bulletproof. That was what the life was, right? And our parents swam. I went to school swimming across the river. I had walked 50 kilometers, not because you were strong and bulletproof. That's the only way you could reach school, right? So let's stop vilifying generations, right? Let's stop making and creating them as little monsters who are not equipped to live life in them, and let's start supporting them. Let's start creating a life that can enable them to reach standards that while might be beyond our comprehension, right? So, and from a music perspective, right, a lot of people our age, they say that यार हमारे टाइम का म्यूजिक वाज द म्यूजिक, आज का तो बकवास है, सुन नहीं सकते हैं, राइट?
Yeah, you hear it all the time. Movies, songs, music.
What
yeah,
gives you
everything,
this
yeah.
right? Because our parents said the same about us.
Yep.
Their parents said the same about them. This is a never-ending, and it's been coming for the past 30,000 years.
Talking, Dilip, about Gyan, if you were to suggest something to the younger generation, what would you say?
The only drug you need to be away from is peer pressure.
Fantastic.
अच्छा तो कोकेन बोलने वाला है.
क्यों लाइनें पैसे कर रहा था?
मतलब ऐसे दोस्तों से अलग रहो.
स्निफ करता है भाई कोकेन मत.
The bigger, what is that one advice? I'll tell you the advice I've given my daughter. If you have to do something because all your friends are doing, but there's one small tiny voice, and it could be anything, that is stopping you from doing it, pause, take a step back,
And listen to that voice.
and listen to that voice, and then take a call. I'm not saying what is wrong, I'm not saying what is right, but क्योंकि 10 लोग मेरे गैंग में कुछ कर रहे हैं, and it could be as simple as going on a bike ride without wearing helmets, or doing something stupid, or being sexual, or drinking, or imbibing something. जरूरी नहीं है.
Lovely.
करना करो, बट सोच के कर. ये इसके लिए मत कर कि बाकी कर रहे हैं, right?
So, Rock, I'll give you two scenarios. A little difficult question. So, your son comes to you and says, Dad, I've committed a murder. What's your reaction?
I'll ask him how many, कितने मारे हैं, कितने आदमी थे, पहले तू नंबर बता, सिंगल डिजिट है.
मुझसे क्यों नहीं मरवाया तूने?
हाँ, एक यार मेरे को भी तो कुछ करने देता. This is wrong. So, but yeah, if this is actual on a serious note, so I know the way I've raised my kids कि अगर उसने ऐसा कुछ flaw हुआ है, blunder हुआ है, there has to be a good reason behind it. I'm not saying he's done the right thing, but there has to be a very solid or valid reason. So I'll sit down with him, ask him, and I'm sure the story would be that he was pushed against the wall or there was no
Something
other
had to be
option.
happening.
His own life was in danger.
Yeah. What if he says, I'm gay? Now that's a situation you
I'm
can't.
also gay. I'll tell him I'll sit down. You are gay in a different way. I'm gay and happy. So what?
क्या बात है?
Let's make merry and be gay. अब है तो है.
हाँ.
What can I do? Nothing.
As long as he's
even
happy.
let's say I presume that I'm totally anti-gay. Though I'm not. But I hate the thought for discussion purposes. But I still believe it's his life.
And he's happy.
He's happy. So who am I? Even if I am his dad, it doesn't make a difference.
क्या बात है? What do you think in India or abroad? Is there a difference in the way parents are possessive about a boy and want to protect him versus a girl? Is it different? Do the fundamentals change? Is it a chauvinistic approach कि बेटी के लिए तो सब ठीक है लेकिन बेटी ना बेटा ना पार्टी करना ना नॉर्थ कैंपस जाना अमेरिका मत जाना that is not safe. Your younger brother can go but you will be staying here at home in the north campus coming back from LSR and coming back home in the evening before the sun sets.
कभी कभी मुझे पेरेंट्स आते हैं बेटे को भेज दिया बाहर लेकिन बोलते हैं बेटी ना उसका इंटरेस्ट ही नहीं है.
अच्छा.
हाँ इंटरेस्ट ही नहीं है उसका. वो तो चाहती नहीं जाना और वो डिज़ाइन करना चाहती है और वो चाहती है कि वो IAS ऑफिसर बन जाए या डिज़ाइन में जाए. तो ना दे आर मैनिपुलेटिंग द करियर चॉइस एंड इन अ वे saying कि अच्छा
And
तू तो
when
जाने
you
नहीं
talk to
जाता.
that girl child, she has a completely different opinion.
No, and she may say I have still undecided. That undecided category, which is lot of people, 99% people don't know what to do with their careers.
Yeah, but it did not give the parents the right to say कि नहीं वो जाएगी नहीं और IAS करेगी और इंडिया में रहेगी.
Just because you're thinking does not mean कि अच्छा तुम नहीं यार तेरा तो इंटरेस्ट ही यही है.
Yeah.
So you are manipulating. Which is I
तो ये
think
तो
worse.
ये आज
I see it.
तो आज
I
है.
see it in very affluent families.
अच्छा.
I see it in families जहाँ उन्होंने लड़के को भी बाहर भेज दिया लेकिन लड़की को नहीं भेज रहे. प्रिया कीप्स इट जैसे वो शॉपिंग पे जाती है पहले वो दिखाएगी 4 चीज़ें देखो प्राइस देखो कंपेयर करो एंड देन शी विल इफ दे पिक अप 4 थिंग्स शी विल टेक ऑफ 2. इसकी ज़रूरत नहीं है. एंड आई सेड क्या कर रहे हो यार क्यों कर रहे हो ऐसा. कहते हैं मानव दे नीड टू सी द वैल्यू. नो दैट्स अनदर स्टाइल ऑफ पेरेंटिंग. सो इन माय ओन होम आई हैव अ सरप्लस एंड प्रिया इज सेइंग नो मेक इट लिटिल स्केर्ड सो दैट दे एस्पायर एंड दे सी द वैल्यू ऑफ मनी. आई डोंट नो व्हिच साइड इज राइट और रॉन्ग एंड आई थिंक बोथ आर फाइन.
And funny thing, in our place, Arhan is the guy who's actually the parent. He owns literally अभी वो कनाडा से आया, so he was shifting a place. He was carrying 2 bags, एक बड़ा 28 इंच और एक 24 इंच का बैग. So I said, बच्चा where have you kept the rest of the stuff? कहता that's all I own. तो मैंने कहा what do you mean? आपके कपड़े and your books and your lamps and utensils and furniture. कहता furniture and everything is kept at a shed जहाँ मैं change करूँगा. But clothes wise this is all I own. I said it's impossible. How is it possible कि 2 छोटे bags के अंदर आपका सारा wardrobe हो गया? So he opened the bag. You would not believe he's got no pair of jeans. He's got 2 trousers. He's got I think 3 shirts, 5 t-shirts. And the rest of the paraphernalia, which is your undergarments and your socks and your hosiery and everything. And that's all the boy owns. वो कहता Papa, I buy 1 t-shirt and I gift somebody on the road or a beggar or whatever 1 t-shirt because I feel that he needs it more than me.
Amazing.
So I took a step back saying, who's the parent here, you or me?
Yeah.
So we in fact push him, boss, it's your 20th birthday. Buy something, take a nice phone or a bracelet that you've been eyeing for a long time, even though it's a little expensive. That boy says, Dad, I don't need it. I'm very happy in my skin like you said you are. And from the beginning, that's the boy. So we as parents never even had the chance of telling him, नहीं, it's too much, इतना मत करो. We've always had to push him. यार जैकेट पसंद है, तेरे पास नहीं है, ले लो.
हाँ और देख हम पुश कर रहे हैं. क्योंकि हम जब ग्रो कर देते उसका मतलब है तुम अच्छा कर रहे हो. उस तो it's all about us.
नहीं but Manav, but all kids are not like that. When I see
kids today, going out and the way they are dressed.
And the disposable income that they have and they're buying the finest bottle of Shivers, if at all, or maybe, like a Blue Label or whatever, and splurging every night. And you just feel that this kid is really getting it wrong as a foundation right on the onset. And it's sad because the parents are not seeing it. I've seen parents serving vodkas at, their kid's 16th party to all the kids on trays and saying, Bacha, have a shot with me. And the mother takes a shot and she's insisting that the children have a shot with her. Presuming it's cool. I don't think it is. But it's the way it is. What do you do?
Anuj, forget that. Okay, this whole thing of IB में हो या CBSE में हो. मतलब IB स्कूल में हो तो तुम मतलब अच्छा कर रहे हो, cool हो. CBSE स्कूल में हो तो क्या हो गया?
IB में क्यों नहीं गए?
IB में क्यों नहीं गए? And my children are in CBSE school and I'm happy there. और एक बार एक मदर ने मेरे से पूछा था.
IB में क्यों नहीं गए?
हाँ मतलब पैसे नहीं थे भाई.
Right. Okay.
तो one of the parents said, मानव क्या हो गया तुम तो सबके साथ काम करते हो IBs तुम
तो अच्छा कर रहे हो.
मैंने कहा I had my own take. So imagine now you are sending your children to IB school. Influence तो होगा यार. IB school एक niche के लिए बन गए हैं. IB school जाना fashionable हो गया है और आप भेज रहे हो और फिर आप भी cool बन रहे हो, आप भी catch up कर रहे हो और आप वोडका शॉट्स दे रहे हो. Don't you feel the anxiety that there are opportunities they may not sense and you want to make sure that you are there and you are sensing it, and how do you keep track of it?
So I don't get this sort of anxiety. I mean, I don't know what to answer.
Fair enough. Fair enough.
Yeah?
Fair enough.
Yeah, I mean, Anuj, what about you?
So I, as a father, get anxious.
Yeah.
All the time.
Yeah.
And I try and be cool in front of him.
Yeah.
Obviously, because if you're anxious, the
Yeah.
son sees you anxious,
Yeah.
and he gets anxious.
Yeah.
too. Especially during his exams or during, especially the results are out.
Yeah.
And I'm like, oh my God. But I play cool. And in fact, this was the case, Sailor, that earlier he used to get nervous. Yeah. And because of his nervousness, he would make silly mistakes and then suffer. But ultimately, he got over that fear of exams and so on. And I said, it's okay, yeah, it's okay to chill. And I also chilled out and I took a back step, not asking, okay, when are the exams? Or तूने पढ़ लिया कि नहीं पढ़ लिया? And results कैसे आए हैं? So, because I saw a change in him when he always initially started saying that, class average is only 65%, Darren, I got 58. So he's trying to justify, and then,
Yeah.
I'm trying to say, okay, who topped? He's like, no, I mean, one guy got 85, rest everybody got 70 and 68. So I understood where he came from.
Yeah.
And then when I stopped asking him and he got less anxious, he stopped kind of, defending himself in a certain way, saying, कि I am safe because class average है. मैंने कहा मैंने पूछा ही नहीं यार.
Yeah.
He said, I did well, I got a C. I'm like, good
Yeah.
for you. Reveller got test hai and you scored like 2 on 20 and you failed miserably and they would say, sign, make your parents sign and for them to come.
I've done that.
अब because इतना डर लगता था and then you would fake the sign. अब वो नाम भी इतना लंबा, Suman Sani, she would write the whole thing and had a fantastic hand and I had a very bad hand. So how do I calligraph that same hand? And they used to have a reference of this is how somewhere
Yeah.
So then I would sign very badly and she would look at me and say, are you sure your parents signed? And I'm like, yeah ma'am, you can talk to her. अब वो उस जमाने में कौन जाएगा फोन अपने ग्रिज की मिला रहे हैं सुमन मैम डिड यू साइन और व्हाटएवर. तो आई यूज्ड टू गेट
अभी तो व्हाट्सएप
एग्जैक्टली अब तो एक सेकंड में ग्रुप्स बने हुए हैं. योर किड्स फेल्ड ऑन अ पीडीएफ.
Your son or daughter comes and says, I want to confess something. And there are 3 options. Let me go with the first option first. Dad or mom, I'm on drugs.
You go first.
I don't know. I mean, okay. What do you want me to say?
No, how would you handle it? What would be your reaction?
I'm the son. माँ
हाँ बोल यार.
मैं कोकेन के इंजेक्शन मार रहा हूँ आजकल माँ.
मुझे भी ट्राई करा दे यार.
ये तो आजकल की माँ है.
Oh my God.
Have you ever done something with your child, son or daughter, and which you know later that, oh, I was wrong? What have you done in that situation?
So it happened to me. I'll go first. So he was really young, and we were, I remember, in Spain. In fact, he was must be a toddler. He was like 5-6 years old. And something he did, or I was just irritable, and he was not eating properly, and it's been 3 or 4 days, and he was a very small eater. And I was worried for him because खाई नहीं रहा था. And I understand Spain में you only get payas and those different kind of foods which, I mean, he was only having pasta at home or he would only have his cornflakes. अब नहीं मिल पा रहे थे वो. And we were trying. So he would just say no. So I got a little livid with him. And I think I shouted. And I still have that picture because Ashita was taking a picture, not realizing दूर ये dialogue हो रहा है. And funnily it came on camera. And I didn't realize that this is the expression he has, and he had tears which were welling up. And it was this, his. And he was controlling his the hurt that I don't want to eat. It's me, and I'm telling you I don't want to eat. So don't push me, push it down. And why are you shouting? Just because you're 6 feet tall and I'm still like 2 feet tall, you're shouting at me. And ये तब नहीं हुआ. In fact, after 3 or 4 days, when I was shifting through the pictures on the camera, and this came and I zoomed into his face and I saw the expression of my son. And it was the time that I changed myself completely because. My mother also was she was aggressive and she had a way of kind of teaching me things जो पहले होता था पिटते भी थे हम सब and which is why we were very straight arrows and so on. So great parenting, but उस time valid थी, अब नहीं है. The times have changed. So I told myself that I'll never be the same parent to my son the way I was brought up because he's a different child. I was sensitive, but he's aggressive and sensitive, and he wants to be a friend to you, and he's very intelligent. If you tell him something and nahi bacha, this will happen to you, and you will not grow. या आपकी muscle नहीं बनेगी. You know what kids understand. He will comprehend and he will do what you're asking to do, but don't shout. So I told myself, कुछ भी हो जाए, मैं कभी भी बच्चे पे चिल्लाऊंगा नहीं. What are the differences in a child, the psyche of a child who's been brought up with a parent who's given up the career, who's always there at home, versus a parent who's seldom there because they're working?
Every parent is perfect. First of all, I want to say that.
You want to be politically correct?
I do want to say that, but I also want to say that, kids go away. They're there with us. Nowadays, the trend is that at 18, they all go
Yeah,
away.
yeah,
If you can spend your time with kids, you know, before they go, I think there is a big difference.
What about boy versus girl? So sometimes I've seen parents, you know, the boy is okay if he's going for a late night party, if he's, you know, going to be studying abroad. But the girl, I mean, you got to be back before dark and you can't be studying abroad. Does that happen?
That happens, but it makes sense if you think about it. I mean,
Okay.
even though it's kind of sad, it makes sense because we live in a country where it's not really safe. And you know, especially for women or you know girls to go out late at night, and it's all practical if you look at it.
She's not a kid. She's something
No,
else.
but
No.
but I mean, everyone would
I'm
love.
convinced. I'm talking to my mom here. This is not
Oh
a kid.
my God.
No, this is not right. Sometimes kids come to you and, you know, I mean, you're mentoring so many kids and sometimes they just don't achieve it. Some kids just don't care. Some kids really care and they get affected. So what do you tell them? Can you even talk to them and tell them कि कोई बात नहीं, हो गया? What do you say to them as a mentor?
I tell them have a bigger dream. Just go after a bigger dream. Have a, you know, a promise that probably is difficult to achieve. Because that sets your life and defines your purpose.
Yeah.
Not making it to a college that you wanted. If you wanted a Stanford, and I get so many of them. I wanted a Stanford, but I didn't get it.
Yeah,
Or
yeah.
she got it, or he got it, and I didn't get it. All those things shatter them. Because they have the dream, which is get to Stanford.
Yeah.
But what if the dream is to, you know, set up an R&D facility in India?
Well,
Yeah. And for that, I'm going to Stanford, and if not, I'll go to somewhere else.
Yeah.
But that's the dream. That's the bigger dream.
Yeah.
So if you have a bigger dream, these smaller ones doesn't make a difference.
yeah. So दोस्तों एक सवाल आज आपके लिए and I will ask the same question to Manav here. So what if your son or your daughter comes to you and they have a confession and they come and say, Dad, Mom, एक confession है, and you're like, sure, what? So they say, if it's a daughter and son, they say that, you know, I'm into drugs and I'm sorry, मैंने आपको बताया नहीं, it's been happening for a long time. But it's gotten really bad and I'm sorry it happened and वो पैसे थे and I got into the wrong influence and it happened. So what is your take? What will you do? I mean, slap him? This is something that, you know, in your generations has never happened and you're ashamed of him, or you'll support him and take them to rehab and understand that it happens and at least the child has come up to you and spoken to you. That's step one. Step two, the daughter or the son comes to you and says, Dad, the son says, Dad, I'm sorry but गलती से कल वो पार्टी पे फाइट हुई और मैंने किसी के सर पे रॉड मार दी एंड ही इज़ नॉट गेटिंग अप, आई थिंक आई मर्डर्ड हिम. क्या करेंगे आप? एंड द डॉटर सेज, आई एम सॉरी मॉम, आई वाज हैविंग एन अफेयर, आई डिडंट टेल यू, आई वाज वेरी वेरी स्कैर्ड एंड आई एम प्रेग्नेंट. क्या करेंगे आप? We'll wrap the episode here. आपको क्या लगता है if I ask you these three questions? The parents' worst fears coming true, what would you do? So thank you for having us on the Big Small Talk. See you very soon in the next episode.